Dowen'S College confirms 5 children and 3 house parents have been remanded in custody, says it is not an admission of guilt or wrongdoing. Anyways, my people, una know say matter for Sylvester na it still pop up, yeah. And Dowen'S College don't talk say they don't remand few of their house parents and students. But before I want to talk about that, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. If today's the first time you're stopping across my YouTube channel, my YouTube video, enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. For all returning subscribers, may God bless you as you set in. So my beautiful people, now no say now about 3 weeks or so we story about this Sylvester comot pop out. My people will bring out this Dowen'S College matter for outside, where make a lot of people come they react to everything where they happen up to this Dr. Kemi Olulo yourself. He can't give out what he think about the whole matter, and according to him, investigative journalism can't they give out results where he not suit our Nollywood actress here like that. Ada Amewe come out, come blast and say you not supposed to talk like that, say you na mother are not supposed to do this kind matter. So my people, today the one way me don't bring for you now waiting and see where Dowen'S College don't publish, yes, that press release where they give out to the parents. Now ye I don't bring up my people, but me no could be like now me self to the talk. I go put the press release for me all of us they read and they go ahead, then my people, so we they understand where we they go to my people. So make we read the press release. Dear parents, guardians, as we continue to commiserate with the entire Oromonir family, we also extend our condolences to our students, parents, staff, and indeed the entire Dowen'S College family on the demise of our beloved son, Sylvester. We would like to extend our appreciation to all our parents and guardians for their calls, messages, advice, and encouragement as we navigate this difficult time together. We would also like you to know that we are working together with the relevant authorities and the Oromonir family to ensure that justice is seen and served in this matter. We understand and appreciate your anxiety and support. We plan to do all that we can to ensure that the education and future of our children is not mortgaged. Investigations are moving along and we continue to work with all the relevant authorities. 1. So far, all 5 of the children suspected have been remanded in custody, as well as the 3 hostile parents. Please note this is not an admission of guilt or wrongdoing, but part of their process. The school and the members of the Oromonir family have met cordially with the Commissioner of Police to discuss the matter and the way forward. There will be an autopsy in Lagos and the school will have its own pathologist present as well. We pray that following the preliminary investigations, the Ministry of Education will let us have a timeline for next term. The Board of Governors of the school is also willing to meet with representatives of our parents for discussion at the appropriate time. In addition, we wish to inform you that the school is revising and strengthening its health and safety policies and procedures to curtail any future reoccurrence of similar alleged incidents. We will re-educate and reinforce culture and discipline and review our reporting and disciplinary procedures and sanctions for increased safety and accountability. Going forward, it will not be business as usual. We solicit for your continued prayers, patience, and understanding. Thank you. Signed, the principal. My people. When I don't hear the matter as e get as e dey, when this matter pop up like that for social media, my people, the response and the reactions for Naija, e no get as e dey, me sef on the see reasons with a lot of things. But if we take read wetin dey talk for this press release, if we take understand that, my people, from point 1 up to point 5 or 6 wey come dey, my people, the part where e come dey make a lot of people they talk now, the part where they say it no go be na business anymore. A lot of people can't hang on top of that point. Like, so before it was all about business, right? It wasn't about the security of her children. When I know how matter come dey for social media, I see the matter say no, I suppose bring her out, can't talk. So my people, as e get as e dey, they don't let us know say those 5 students wey them bully Sylvester, they don't kuku dey abroad like that, say they don't bring them to book. They supposed come out, come face the tune of the music. If they are found guilty, now that if now that conditional statement for day night they make, because as per wetin they let us know, say this one it no be proof of guilt or wrongdoing. So they just put them down as suspects with the kuku dey, my people. Them matter it get today. So my people, as the matter don't talk before, say it get as it dey, me no know what all of them they think, because if I can't the reason the matter, you bring out a press release, you let us know that the parents have spoken with you guys, with the commissioner of police, and autopsy will be made. And 1 minute to see another story that the staff of the Dowen'S college are putting on Sylvester's t-shirt. That is a t-shirt bearing his face, my people. And that t-shirt bearing his face on the waiting way come like caption for waiting I read them, my people. Now say Sylvester staff, like the staff of the Dowen'S college, they are still insisting that it was out of a football match that he got what he got, my people. Now a lot of people come they react, say where are the 21 players that played that match with Sylvester? Where are they? They are the ones who want to see those eyewitnesses, because if at all now football match is not just about 22 players in the field, where are the supporters? Where are those eyewitnesses that witnessed what happened that led to what he was suffering till he passed on? That's what we want to know. But after the press release, my people, what do? We, the social media family, can only but wait and pray for justice to be served. Let all those who are guilty, may they come to book, like let them bring them to book. And as for the reopening of the school, me have nothing to say. They don't talk about reinforcing this, reviewing that. So long as there is bully in this world, and so long as there is bully in the school premises, and you people do not really review and do not really reorganize and strengthen every sanction or whatever when I get for the do, my people, it go always dey. So if waiting they don't write for year, now waiting they go do, they suppose first of all calm down with this matter they solve. Because now true say this school is 3 million per student. My goodness, 3 million per student, my people. If I come spend 3 million for my child there, if he turn he head, he turn and badly, you suppose they there. Yes, because it gets as he say those 3 million, they know they pick them from tree, like they fall off like fruit, or they pluck them. You understand? But as it there, my people, what you know, that's my opinion. I don't know what you think about it. I don't know what you think about the press release. Make you write for comment section what you think about the press release. And if you did you like the video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you've never subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. Write your comments on the comment section, share with friends and family, let them know what is happening around the world. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.